Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to activate and edit the screen lock. If you don't have a screen lock, then you have a little problem, because just imagine I lose my Xiaomi 12 Pro and then I turn it on. I am a thief and just can access it. So that's pretty bad for you. So now I can look at all your files and all your contacts and what you have done. So we must activate the screen lock. So how do we do it? We just swipe here a little bit up and then we go to the settings. And when we are in the settings, we go a little bit down until we have here passwords and security. And when we are in password security, we have we have some options. And the first option here is screen lock. So we can set the screen lock with a pattern, with a pin or a password. And we will just do all of those three things. So let's start with a pattern. Draw a simple pattern with your finger to unlock device. Remember your lock screen password. If you forget it, you have to erase all your data on your device. So, okay, got it. And now I can set a pattern, and I will just draw a little snake, and I will draw the snake again, and I can confirm, and that was it. So here it says add your fingerprint to unlock your device. We'll do it in another video. Here at this moment I will just show you the screen lock. So the pattern's ready, so I just turn it off and turn it on again, and now I have to draw my snake. And if I do something wrong, you can see, okay, I'm not getting in my Xiaomi 12 Pro. So I'm just drawing the snake, and then I'm in it. So the second option is to choose a pin. And here again, remember your password, and okay, got it, all right. And then we enter 4 to 16 digits. So I can just type in 4 to 16 numbers, and I'll just choose 4 times the 0. I click on continue, 4 times the 0, click OK, and that's what it is. So again, my screen lock is activated, and now I want to come in, and then 4 times the 0, and everything's fine. The third option, okay, here. The third option is the password. Enter 4 or more letters or numbers to unlock your device. And of course, this is the most safe one. So you can now use also here special characters and so on and so forth. But the problem is, if you every time you want to access your device, it will ask for this complicated password. So okay, this is the safest, but it's the least convenient. So I would recommend to use the pin, because the pattern, just when the screen is off, perhaps it can show a little bit on the screen what you have drawn. So choose the pin, and I think that's the best option for you. Right, that was how to activate the screen lock on the Xiaomi 12 Pro. In the next video, I will show you how to access the fingerprint unlock, and I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.